Introducing the EOS Shea, better shaving cream in pomegranate raspberry. This women's shave cream is an absolute game changer. Packed with natural shea butter and oil, it provides 24-hour hydration, making your skin feel soft, smooth, and beautiful. Plus, it's enriched with vitamin C and E to support healthy skin and aloe to condition and nourish. Imagine the feeling of smooth, hydrated skin every day. That's exactly what EOS delivers. What sets this shaving cream apart is its smooth application. Whether you prefer to shave wet or dry, this product ensures